give it to me, I'll give it to you. I know what you want, you know I got it. Baby, if you give it to me, I'll give it to you. As long as you want, you know I got it.
How you going?
Hey internet, John, driller, standard. It's night time. This is different. We're visiting a workshop and it's night time.
Yeah, so it's 8:30 p.m. This particular workshop has some crazy ass trading hours. We're talking opening at 12 p.m. and closing at 4 a.m. every day.
It's the kind of place that you can't really get here by train, so we've actually hired a car, which you'll see later on. But we've hired a car to get out here. We've just gotten here.
We asked him if we could take some photos. He said yes,
he was
so
alright with it.
we're about
So,
to say some sick shit.
Yeah, we'll show you what we see.
I was telling Spanish bitches demon low. She say it's for her and not for me to know. She always wanna know why I don't let her roll. So shit you say for you is just for me to know. I said the faces in my rolling never tick tock, stacking paper till it's at the tip top. I know why they mad, come on, shit pop. Driving to success, a fucker, pit stop. Swear I did it off of some Adidas. I'm the one that said fuck any non-believers. Homeboy, I know you love to think you fucking with me. Let's keep it real, my G, who really run the city? Fargo got a bunch of bitches in the caravan. Step off of your bitches like a pelvis. Now this white bitch with me look like Neverland. My life just like a movie that don't ever end.
Now you got dish?
That's a lot of dish. I mean, I want to try to find some specs for you guys, but
Just running these in Australia, even if they're under the guards, mate, that's about 30 years, easy.
30, 40 years,
Easy. The crazy thing is, they've got this amount of dish and offset.
What's happening? It's your boy Offset. Yes, sir. Come check me out.
And then they go ahead and put spaces on as well.
The best
Like
thing is,
thick spaces.
you look at the wheel, right?
Yeah.
And it looks like the back side of a normal wheel.
Exactly, the opposite side when you turn
I'm looking at it
around.
and it's just wigging me out. There's that much dish.
That's the front side.
That's the front.
It's pretty crazy.
Since everyone around, we brought everyone apart for a night. So let's get it right. I got Hispanic bitches yelling demon low. I'm the one that's living shit la vida loca. Toast to my niggas cause we finally made it. Crazy, we did everything we dreamed of. I know what it's like. I know what it's like. Put your hands up if you deserve it. I know what it's like. I know what it's like. Put your hands up if you deserve it.
So Driller, if you had to choose a favourite, what would it be?
Right
And
here.
why?
It's right here. It's just the colour
What's
combo.
that? The white one?
I just really like the red on the white.
It looks, I think it looks the best too, because it looks like kind of classical with this RWB down the side and the pinstriping. Doesn't look too modern.
Not over the top.
Not a crazy colour.
Very tasteful.
Not over the top. Well, you are looking at an RWB. They are a little bit over
not
the top.
over the top for an RWB, if that makes sense.
If that
Is
makes
a
any
thing?
sense. I think that's, yeah. It's on the more conservative end and it looks very race spec. Definitely my favourite. It's between this one and the red one. Red one that's almost finished, that's a killer colour combo. The red and the dark gold.
Are you going to spray your GTR red now?
Yeah, with dark gold blues, I've already got them. This red one here looks like it's almost finished. I've had a few looks at it. It's missing the sticker flex in the arches. It's missing a few of the actual screws, but it looks like it's almost there.
Well, the fact that it was washing it, I think that's... Did you get him washing?
Yeah, getting it ready for the final touches. I got it in slow-mo.
Yeah, you got it.
Tell the niggas have a hole in the zip lock. Tell the competition, wait. I forgot no competition. I got shit locked. I got big plans for some big guap. Dirty niggas saying I'll be rich. I've been plotting on that shit since 96. If I go reach a full spell, I'll probably miss. The realest summer, but the year's probably this. I see these niggas talk so down by the nigga, man. But you know.
So we're finishing up here at RWB. We're lucky enough to actually shoot inside. The guy who was working here, it wasn't Nakai-san.
It wasn't.
It was
Nakai-san.
someone else was working here. They were just washing the cars, and it was sweet. He said, "Yeah, come inside, shoot away." We pretty much had all the access we wanted. However, we were under the understanding that it closed at 4 a.m. as it says online.
Yeah, that's not the case.
And what other people have said that they come heaps late. That's not the case. It's actually 9:30ish.
Oh, I guess it depends. It varies depending on, I guess, what
They're doing.
want.
If there's someone here working late, that was cool. That was cool. If there's someone here working late, obviously they'll stay open till around 4 or whatever it is. But tonight they actually closed up early. Luckily, I was able to get a fair bit of footage. Unfortunately, Drilly didn't get all the shots he wanted.
I got a few,
but he got a few.
I focused mainly on the stuff outside. So
the stuff outside's pretty cool.
Should have some pretty sweet content.
So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed that. I reckon. I
enjoyed it.
It was pretty sick. I
awesome.
enjoyed shooting here because it was awesome. Anywhere you look is so cool, and you see this stuff online, but to actually see it in the flesh, it's just completely
Up close,
different.
see all the details. It was great.
Different. All right, cool. We'll see you next time.
That's why I did it off for some Adidas. I'm the one that said fuck any non-believers. Homeboy, I know you love to think you fucking with me. Just keep it real, my G, who really run the city?